With everything that's happening around the world today, the changes have been significant with regards to a lot of countries' economies. Sadly, a lot of workers had been affected by this too. With no salary raise and additional benefits, trying to earn enough money to pay the bills had been a real pain in the behind. Wouldn't it be great if we could earn money just by clicking a single button? Well, you are just in luck. In this video, we will be teaching you how to earn $30 by clicking a button. Very easy, very efficient, and all very effective. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most hassle-free way possible, so make sure you stay tuned. Looking for a job online can be a strenuous thing to do. But no worries, we are here to help you with that. Make sure to stay until the end of this video because we will be teaching you how to earn money without needing any skills at all. First, we're gonna have to visit the website that we will be earning our money from. To do that, type in the address bar of your browser, peopleperhour.com. You can also search it using Google and it should be the first result that comes up. You will be redirected to this site. Indeed, this site is for freelancers, but no need to worry because we will not be needing any type of skills at all. If you scroll down on the interface, you will be able to see that this site has over 3 million freelancers all over the world, collectively earning $150 million. This for sure proved this site is legit and would pay you the money you've been looking for. Now, in order to get started earning money, we first have to create an account. At the top right of the website, you will be able to see a button that says Sign Up. Once you click on that, you will be given a choice if you want to hire a freelancer or become a freelancer. Select I want to work as a freelancer. After that, you can choose if you want to sign up with Facebook or email. We are going with Sign Up with Email. You will be providing the necessary information and they will be sending you a verification email. Make sure to activate your account before proceeding so you won't have to worry about it magically being deactivated in the future. Once that is done, you can now log in to your account. Now, this part is very crucial. You will be asked to complete your profile so you can start selling your services. You will be filling up the form beginning with selecting a profile picture, choosing a job title, most likely the jobs you want to offer your service for, what skills you have, a little something to describe yourself, your location, what languages you speak, and what your preferred hourly rate would be. You can select one option from 3 currencies: pounds, euros, or dollars. That way, the site can narrow down the countries your services will be displayed in. This form should be what clients would see once you offer your services to them. So make sure it's as professional as it can be to make clients want to click on your service. You're probably thinking, this will require a lot of skills. As we promised you, it won't. Now to proceed. You can click on the search bar at the top of the website and a drop-down will be presented and you should be able to see the section that says freelancers can. Click on Search Projects. On the search bar provided, type in Background Remover. You will be able to see hundreds of job offers to remove backgrounds from photos. It can range from $10 per photo to $200. These job offers have only been posted recently, and as you can see, some were posted only 18 days ago, a day ago, 3 days ago, and so on. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated because we want to know how to help you better in the future. And now, going back. No need to panic if you're thinking we're going to ask you to open the most professional photo editor software so you can do this. Photo editing is a really hard job, so that is definitely not what we will be teaching here. In order to get freelance jobs as a background remover, just visit the website remove.bg. This is the site that will complete the work for us. In just a click of a button, you are going to have the background of the photo removed, cleanly and with great photo quality even. It is a very simple and easy to navigate website. You are just going to drop the image of the photo you will be removing the background of, and you should be finished in no time. Download the photo and send it to your client, and voila! The job is finished. Pro tip: make sure to set your price to at least $25 to $30. Remember, no client wants to hire an inexperienced freelancer. Raising your price and making your form as professional as possible will help give the impression that you are indeed a professional. Setting your prices very cheap will make the clients think you're not as experienced as you should be. As much as possible, we want our services to sound appealing and professional, so we would appeal to the client's eyes. In the long run, this would be plenty helpful, as these kinds of applications and accounts are the ones to grab long-term clients, acquiring long-term payments. Now, in order to get more clients to avail to your services, you won't have to do this if you don't want to. It's just an additional something to make sure our subscribers get the money they deserve. Go on to google.com and type on the search bar Photo Editing Forum. Several websites will come up, but the top 3 that we can recommend are photographytalk.com, dpreview.com, bleepingcomputer.com. These 3 are the most popular photo forums out there. What this will do is it will narrow down your audience so you will be able to get directly in touch with the people who are interested in the field of your service. In other words, these forums are full of people who are interested in photography and pictures. Surely the lot of them are seeking background removal services. Just post the service that you offer on here so that people could come across your post and will be able to see it. And they will be availing your services in no time. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. See you in the next one!